Good day everyone, my name is King Joshua Milagrosa and my group members are Eugene Divina Cabrera, Isaiah Pangandian, Christian Gilo Santiago, and Rose Jamie Makaya. Today, we are going to discuss about road maintenance and management. So, to give you an overview, knowledge about the importance and purpose of road maintenance and management and its various types are part of this unit. The important role of maintenance management in preserving road will be imparted in this unit also. In addition, the common distresses encountered and rehabilitation works will be identified in this unit. Ano nga ba ang road maintenance? Road maintenance is the preservation of infrastructure facilities to prolong the lifespan of the structure. It is the required work to keep the structure in the original condition and requires speed performance to cause the least possible disruption and danger to traffic. We all know that roads make a crucial contribution to economic development and bring important social benefits. That is why road maintenance is very essential in order to preserve the road in its originally constructed condition and protect resources and user safety. Also, alam naman natin na when the roads are properly and highly maintained, road users and administrators benefits from improved traffic efficiency, reduced traveling costs, and road reconstruction expenses. Purpose of road maintenance. So first is to retain highway safety and standards. So tama nga naman na kapag yung roads are properly maintained, mas magiging secure ang safetyness ng kalsada. Number 2, to preserve structural integrity and design life. Then number 3 is to minimize vehicle operating costs. This includes fuel, tires, maintenance, repairs, and mileage-dependent depreciation costs. Relationship between design, construction, and maintenance. Number 1. Poor preparation of the base, insufficient slab thickness, and poor mixture ratio will only result in the very expensive road repair. Indeed, management absorbed the result of design and construction inefficiency. Siyempre kung napakanipis lang ng slab thickness, then basta na lang naghalo ng mixture, baka few months or a year is under repairing na naman yung road. Number 2, poor drainage design will mean erosion or deposition of material that require costly cleanup operation. Since poor drainage can cause to flooding and also causes early pavement distresses, leading to driving problems and structural failures. Drainage system maintenance should be appropriate for a given road to avoid all of that. Number 3 is sharp ditches and steep slope requires costly manual labor maintenance as compared to flat ditches and slope that allow equipment to work at lower cost. Number 4. Narrow road lanes usually force large and heavy vehicles to travel with one set of wheels near the edge or of the pavement. This will give the maintenance personnel serious problems in the care of pavement edges and the shoulder. So, high maintenance cost is the result of poor design or construction methods. This is the main problem that causes numerous demolitions and unending reconstruction activities being undertaken by the highway people.
Types of maintenance. Ginagawa ang maintenance to preserve the road and prolong its lifespan. It is required to keep the road's natural condition. Routine maintenance. Maintenance activity regularly performed throughout the year and includes carriageway maintenance and roadside maintenance. Routine maintenance, these are the minor repairs performed regularly throughout the year. Example of routine maintenance are patching of potholes, drainage system repair, and fixing road structures to prevent collapsing. Preventive maintenance. More extensive than routine maintenance and helps prevent undue roadway deterioration, increase routine maintenance requirements, and vehicular accidents. Preventive maintenance is a must for the roads to remain safe or get safer. Preventive actions and regular monitoring of the roads can save tons of money and forbid accidents. Long-term performance-based maintenance, a new concept designed to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of road maintenance operations. It is a multi-layer contract which consists of three components, namely road and bridge performance-based maintenance, preventive maintenance, and maintenance backlog reduction. Long-term performance-based maintenance is performed to ensure the efficiency of road maintenance operations. Road and bridge performance-based maintenance includes work for regular routine and periodic maintenance activities. For regular routine maintenance activities are pothole patching, scaling of cracks on the pavement, grinding and patching of shoulders, drainage cleaning and clearing, roadside and feature maintenance, like road sign and guardrail cleaning and repainting, and maintenance of other roadside features. Road markings maintenance, bridge maintenance, which includes cleaning of bridge decks, shelves, framework, and drainage, spot repainting, clearing of waterway flows. For periodic maintenance activities are regraveling of shoulders, large area resealing of pavement, and bridge parapet repairs, deck sealing, scar protection, and repainting. Preventive maintenance. This refers to works more extensive than routine maintenance and helps prevent undue roadway deterioration. Same lang siya ng preventive maintenance. Example ay asphalt overlay and concrete reblocking. Maintenance backlog reduction. Restoration or regraveling of the shoulders, reconditioning of drainage facilities and construction of new drainage facilities, and slope protection works. Maintenance operations. Many maintenance operations exist but that differs based on the materials used. Maintenance operation depends on kind of road or based on the materials of the road. Example on gravel roads. Maintenance activities like grading, scarifying or removing of irregularities, reshaping, patching potholes, and regraveling. On asphalt roads are resealing, resurfacing, and selective repairs. On concrete roads, maintenance activities like resealing, reblocking, and selective replacements are done. Maintenance of roadside. The type and kind of roadside maintenance depend upon the following conditions. 1. If the roadside is full of grass, mowing closer to the shoulder is the answer. If necessary, grass at the roadside be fertilized or treated with lime. In some areas, reseeding may be required. Next is, if the roadside has dry grass, considered as a fire hazard, burning or plowing is the solution. The last one is if the bushes covers the back slope, trimming is necessary to maintain clearance and sight distance.
Maintenance and its management are considered the most intricate and ever-changing highway technology. Maintenance is one of the most important parts of highway agency, considering the appropriation and expenditures involved in for the maintenance program. Continuous study have been going on focus on the best management, time utilization, productivity, methods, and management maintenance. So, bakit nga ba ito mahalaga? According to the World Bank, roads are among the most important public asset in any country. So, keeping them in a good working condition is obviously critical. Whether your roads are paved or unpaved, regular maintenance is the key to preserving strength and quality, as well as to keeping costs down in the long run. In addition, effective road maintenance required regular routine upkeep rather than simple intervening when major issues occur. Philippine Highway Management System. Highway Maintenance Management System is a group of interrelated concepts and procedures used to help make decisions about maintenance activities with the following major area of consideration. First, planning, estimate annual work quantities, cost and resources requirement, preparation of maintenance annual work program, and performance budget. Meaning to say, planning is the one of the most important because it will stand as a foundation of a management goal. Planning provides a mean of determining which resources are available and how soon certain goal can be accomplished, and also to think about the future and make a contingency plans if goals are not met. Scheduling, identification of maintenance need, plan, and assign work is also the key to make a process synchronized, and also knowing when they begin and end in the problem solving, and also to determine or tracking the progress of your goal. Directing to carry out work assignment to achieve acceptable result. It's not only instructing what they have to do or how they have to do, but also to see if their instructions are followed in a right way by the worker. Reporting, documentation of work result, and to provide information to manage. Suitable for comparing actual with planned performance. It's all about checking if the plans is happen on the given schedule. Controlling to help identify significant variation from plans and standard, and provide guidelines need to make correction or adjustment required to improve performance. Is also ensure that the overall direction of an individual and group are consistently with short and long range plan, and also to help ensuring the objective and accomplishment are consistent with one another. Requirement for maintenance management. Number 1. Stabilize the standard level of maintenance by setting performance standard for workers, crew, and maintenance unit. This requires method time measurement, expected output for particular operation that are predetermined. MTM is the method used to perform any manual operation or task, and as a product of that analysis set the standard time in which workers should complete the task. Ibig sabihin, magbibigay ka lang nung sakto sa oras na trabaho, hindi mo sila bibigyan ng hindi nila kayang tapusin. Kasi pagka ganun, mawawala na sa schedule yung maintenance mo. Hindi na siya lalapat or kailangan mag-overtime ng ibang worker, which is mas tataas yung sahod nila. Kaya mas lalaki yung gastos. Number 2, to develop an accurate monitoring and peer reporting system and to compare actual work with the expected product. Dapat hindi ka bias or sabi nga ni Mike Enriquez, walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan, serbisyong totoo lamang. Ibig sabihin kung ano lang yung nagawa ngayong araw, ay yun lamang ang re-report mo. Hindi mo yan dadagdagan or babawasan. Dapat din nasusunod yung mga trabaho ayon sa schedules na dapat na magawa ngayong araw. Hindi dapat yung lumagpas or magkulang. Effective maintenance personnel activities under the following criteria. Number 1, personnel who are devoted to the maintenance worker are not those who just kill the time and collect their salaries. Ikaw, kung isa kang personnel, hindi ka dapat nag-uubos ng oras sa trabaho sa walang katuturang bagay dahil hindi ka pinasasahod para tumanga or walang gawin. Yung isang personnel, marami ang ginagawa, hindi yan tatanga-tanga lang. Number 2, personal responsibility for keeping the road under the traffic moving under all condition. During the maintenance process, need ding may nagsasaayos ng traffic dito, lalo na kung main road ito Upang hindi maabala ang mga trabahador, ganun din ang mga motoristang dadaan dito. Saka dapat continuous flow din yun. Number 2, personal rescue operation is assisting standard motorists during bad weather, heavy rain, removal of fallen trees, flood, erosion, etc. Ito naman yung mga taong nakafocus sa mga road problem na nagaganap dahil sa natural phenomena upang maging continuous uli ang takbo ng mga sasakyan dito. Kasi kung may natural phenomena like flooding or may nabol na puno dahil sa natural phenomena nga, maaaring magsanhi yun ng traffic and so far magkakaroon din yun ng damage sa road. Yun yung chinecheck ng mga personnel. Number 4, maintenance personnel is exposed to accident hazard during their maintenance or rehabilitation. Siyempre, kung isa kang personnel or maintenance personnel, exposed ka sa mga accident na yan, hazard, kasi kabilang ka rin sa mga manggagawa o gumagawa nun. Ibig sabihin, ikaw na alam mo naman siguro yung mga hazard na yan. Maglagay ka.
Rehabilitation, or in simple words, repair or reconstruction. Pavement rehabilitation is an activity primarily to provide good riding and skid resistance or to improve the structural effectiveness of the pavement. And here are the common distress in Portland cement concrete pavement or PCCP. First is transverse cracks, second longitudinal cracks, third spalling, fourth scaling, fifth faulting, and sixth pumping. Sa mga susunod na page, didiscuss natin kung ano ba yung mga yan. The transverse cracks. Transverse cracks are the cracks that are roughly perpendicular to the center line of the pavement. Ano yung mga possible cause? Overload. Overloading of beams and slabs. Here the pavement couldn't take any more forces or couldn't take any more weight from the vehicles on it that resulted to a crack. Repeated bending of pumping slabs. Maaaring nagka-crack dahil di na kinaya ng pavement ang paulit-ulit na pag-deflect every time na may nagpa-pass by na load. Failure or unstable foundation. Mali or di maayos na pagkakagawa ng concrete slab. Lack or too shallow joints. Concrete also expands and contracts with changing temperatures, so without control joints, it can lead to a crack. Also, di rin daw pwede na too shallow kasi hindi niya magagawa na maayos ang trabaho niya, which is to allow the section to expand or contract without cracking. And hindi rin pwede na too deep because the slabs will detach from one another. The ideal depth of the cut is 1/4 or 1/3 of the slab's thickness. In addition, the position of control joint is crucial too. The ideal spacing of the control joints should be 30 times the thickness of the slab. Ano ba yung mga corrective measure na pwede natin gawin para maayos itong transverse cracks sa pavement? Clean the cracks of all loose materials, and for shallow cracks, apply asphalt sealant. Makikita nyo dito, dun sa picture, nag-apply sila nung asphalt dun sa bitak nung pavement or ng PCCP. Then, for deep cracks, apply concrete epoxy. Yung epoxy na yun is concrete adhesive rin yun. Then, for thorough cracks or yung sobrang lalala na bitak, the only way raw para maayos yun is to remove and replace the affected blocks. Then, longitudinal cracks. Makikita naman natin dun sa picture kung ano yung longitudinal cracks. These are the cracks parallel to the center line of the pavement. What are the possible causes? Differential settlement. Differential settlement commonly occurs as a result of the non-uniform movement of the underlying soils. This type of settlement can result in cracking to the foundation, exterior cladding, and interior finishes. Lateral shrinkage associated with excessive slab. Dito liliit yung width nung pavement, kaya na pwedeng magdulot ng longitudinal cracks. Too shallow longitudinal joints. Ito yung parang katulad lang rin dun sa transverse cracks. Yung joints dun sa gitna ng daan is too shallow. Hindi siya mag-work ng maayos. Hindi siya makakapagbigay ng enough space para dun sa concrete to expand or contracts when temperature changes. Ano yung corrective measure para dito sa problem na to? The only corrective measure is removal and replacement of the affected area. Tanggalin yun, tapos gawa ulit ng bago, papalitan. Third one is spalling. Spalling is the cracking, breaking, chipping, or fraying of the concrete slab edges at the ends and cracks. It reduces pavement serviceability, and if left unrepaired, it can become hazardous to highway users. Possible cause: improper removal of forms, maling pagtanggal ng mga formworks after the construction, hard pieces of gravel lodged in a joint or crack. Nagsettle yung hard pieces of gravel sa joints or dun sa may crack kaya nag-spalling. Corrective measure: application of asphalt mixture katulad nung makikita nyo dun sa picture, and application of cement mortar to repair chipping. Scaling: flaking or peeling of a finished surface of hardened concrete. What are the possible causes? Overworking of the surface during construction, poor quality aggregates, inadequate curing of concrete. Mali raw yung pag-cure. Diba pinag-aralan natin sa construction natin? Kung ano yung tamang pag-cure, kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin. Kasi kailangan mag-hydrate nung concrete para mas lalong tumibay. And poor quality of cement. Corrective measure: removal and replacement of the section with major scaling. Next, faulting. Faulting is the difference in elevation between adjacent slabs across a transverse joint. As what you can see on the picture, mas mataas yung isang slab kaysa dun sa isa. They are the results of poor subbase or subgrade support or loss of subbase material owing to pumping. What are the corrective measures we need to do to rehabilitate the pavement with faulting? Faulted slabs should be brought back to the original grade with a high softening point under sealing asphalt cement. So, papagpantayin ulit, then pag napagpantay, isisil siya ng asphalt cement dun sa crack. The joint or crack should be partially filled with joint sealer before under sealing. Yun nga. Kailangan masil sila. And last common distress in PCCP is pumping. Pumping is the movement of material underneath the slab or ejection of material from underneath the slab as a result of water pressure. What is its possible cause? Presence of free water on or in the subgrade or subbase along with the heavy loads passing over the pavement surface. The corrective measure is the voids beneath the pavement should be filled with a high softening undersealing asphalt to prevent intrusion of water in subgrade or subbase.
So good morning everyone. So our next topic is common distress in asphalt pavement. So here are the types of distress in asphalt pavement. Alligator cracks, reflection cracks, rooting, shoving or corrugation, potholes, raveling, bleeding, and polish aggregate. So our first distress in asphalt pavement is alligator cracks. So ano nga ba yung possible cause nito o saan to siya nanggagaling? So sa papaikliin ko na lang due to insufficient thickness. So ang asphalt natin dito hindi siya ganun kakapal kaya mas madali siyang masira due to stress. Gaya nga 'di ba kapag sa road lagi siyang dinadaan-daanan. So hindi nakakaya ng asphalt yung pressure. Kaya dahil doon nagka-crack yung asphalt natin. And then hindi siya ganun kakapal o hindi siya ganun ka-compact kaya mas madali siyang masira. So ano nga ba yung mga pwedeng or possible ways na para maayos to o masolusyonan? So una, pwede nating i-seal coat tong mga to. So madali para lalagyan natin siya ng overlay para mawala yung cracks. Pero kapag sobrang laki na ng crack or sobrang laki na ng sakop, pwede tayo mag-excavate and rebuild. Pwede nating palitan ulit ng panibagong mga asphalt. And next is improve the drainage. Kasi nga dahil nga sa wet, yung road natin, mas madali siyang masira. Dahil nga yung moisture sobra-sobra at mas madaling ma-penetrate to ng pores. So next naman natin is reflection cracks. So ano nga ba yung possible cause nito o saan to nanggagaling? So sa pavement na to, sa ilalim ng pavement ng road na dinadaanan ng mga sasakyan, sa ilalim nun, dun meron nagka-problema or dun nag-occur yung crack. Kaya ngayon, yung nasa taas o yung overlaying natin is nadamay na din. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng crack. Kaya tinawag siyang reflection din. So, ano nga ba yung pwedeng gawin para masolusyonan to? So, yun nga, nakalagay dito sa corrective measures. If 3 mm siya, pwede pang hayaan na lang. Pero kapag kapag sobrang lalim niya na at mapapasukan na ng tubig at mas masisira siya kapag hinayaan lang. So, kailangan na natin itong lagyan o i-fill ng mga asphalt o lagyan natin ng seal coat para maayos o hindi na mapasukan ng tubig. So, next one is routing. So, ano ba possible cause nito? First is constant stress. So, dahil nga ito ay daan, patuloy na nakakatanggap siya ng stress dahil sa mga sasakyan. Next naman is lack of compaction. So ganun, hindi ka-compact yung daan natin, kaya ngayon, medyo na-deform siya due to stress. Next one is improper asphalt density. So yung density niya hindi siya ganun katigas, kaya ngayon, madali siyang ma-deform or mag-crack. And last one is weak subgrade. So ano ba yung mga corrective measures na pwede natin gawin? So first is replace the asphalt with more suitable stability. Gaya nga nung sinabi ko kanina, lack of compaction, tapos improper asphalt density, kaya mas maganda ng palitan to ng mas stable na asphalt. Next is overlay. Pwede naman tayo mag-overlay dito para naman maging compact or mas tumibay yung asphalt o yung nao ng road. Pwede naman yung micro-surfacing din. So, the next one is potholes. So, ito very common to sa atin at madalas natin itong nakikita sa mga daan or sa mga road. So, this happens when maintenance is not performed o kung saan yung hindi naaalagaan masyado yung road o hindi nabibigyan ng pansin. Or excess moisture in the subbase and subgrade. So, dahil nga hindi siya naaalagaan, nagkakaroon ng masyadong moisture sa asphalt kaya ito nag-fail. So, ano yung pwede nating gawin para masolusyonan to? So, first one is pothole patching. So, yun nga, lilinisin natin yung hole, tapos lalagyan natin to ng asphalt ulit. Or kung sobrang laki ng hole, pwede naman nating i-replace ang mas malaki. Or mag-excavate tayo tapos lalagyan natin ng bagong asphalt yung road. So next one naman is bleeding. So ano ba yung possible cause nito? So dito naman lumalabas yung high asphalt cement content. So dito naparami yung asphalt sa mixture. Kaya ngayon mas lumalabas yung asphalt kaysa dun sa ibang aggregates. So pwede rin dito yung improper compacting leaving air voids. Nagkaroon ng mga hangin kaya ngayon lumabas yung asphalt sa labas. So ano ba yung mga pwede dito gawin o na solution? Pwede dito yung spot overlay kung saan yung mga asphalt na lumabas, pwede siyang lagyan ng overlay para maging even ulit yung itsura niya. Or pwede din dito yung mill and fill kung saan mag-overlay tayo ulit sa buong road para matakpan. The last one is polish aggregate. So possible cause nito is sobrang smooth yung nagamit na aggregate sa asphalt mixture na nagkakos ng slippery sa daan. So, ano ba yung pwedeng solution na gawin dito? So, ayun, cover the surface with a skid-resistant treatment. Or pwede tayo mag-apply ng isa pang overlay para bumalik yung friction na kailangan natin sa daan. Yun lang. God bless.